Hi, if you're wondering whether this Galaxy S25 supports dual SIM cards, let's find out together. For that, we need to open the SIM tray, which is located on the bottom of the phone, right here. So I'm gonna take this tool, which is called ejector, and goes in a complex with the device. This is for opening SIM slots. But if you lost it, don't worry, you can try to use a needle, but be really careful because you may damage the slot. And now we need to take this ejector pin and place in this little hole. Slightly press till this slot will pop up like that. And after that, you would see this check SIM card tray, and you need to remove your slot. And now let's take a close look. So here we got space for the first SIM card. Mine is already inserted. And if we flip it, we'd see space for the second SIM card. So the answer is yes, the phone does support dual SIM cards. You can insert your first SIM card here and then put second on the other side. But unfortunately, I got only one SIM card. So let's just put it back in the slot and carefully put it back in the phone and close the tray completely. And now you need to open settings, choose connections, then SIM manager. And you should see that 2 SIM cards are activated if you inserted 2 SIM cards. In my case, it is just one. And additionally, you got an option to add an eSIM, which is quite amazing as well. And after that, you can set preferred SIMs for calls, either first or second, for messages, either first or second, or to ask each time, and also for mobile data. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.